I was thinking during the commercial break there that, yes, the home will say hello when you walk in. It maybe doesn't wave, but actually in a way it does, because you can program it to turn on the ceiling fans, turn on the lights, have it do all kinds of cool stuff when you enter the house. We start off taking a look at these innovative electronic systems. First with Scott Elliott as the architect and builder of this home, why they decided to put all this high-tech gadgetry in it.
Systems like we're getting ready to show you, where you can actually control flood issues with sensors and literally be able to talk to the house, makes it really exciting. I still get excited thinking about what this system you're getting ready to see does.
Would you introduce the gentleman who did this install?
Absolutely. This is Jeremy Shelton with IES, and let him.
Well, Jeremy, IES is Innovative Electronic Systems, and you've got a panel here. This panel, it's not just a normal device that might you control your air conditioning and your heat. This controls a lot of function in the home, doesn't it?
That's correct. With this panel here, it gives us the capability to control our security, control lighting switches, control fans throughout the house, as well as the climate of the conditions, the heating and the cooling of the house.
And I understand now, is this set up to register to do some things when the door opens, or do you need to do that?
Yes, we can basically, if we can get Scott over here just to kind of open the door, show you some automation features. So basically what we've done there, we've just programmed a little simple rule where when we open the front door, the system actually welcomes you home, turns on your living room lights, and as well as turning on your ceiling fan.
Reminds me of that scene out of Back to the Future.
Yeah, there you go.
So what else can you do with this?
Well, with our lighting here, we just go to our lighting or our tab to control our different smart switches throughout the home. If we want to go ahead and turn that light off now, we just hit the off button there, just turn the light off, go to page 2, say we want to turn that fan off. So basically we just turned those two devices off, as well as we have other switches and fans throughout the house that we can control right from this panel.
Now with the automation, say for example you've gone on vacation or maybe even just gone to work and you've forgotten if you've locked the doors or you've set the security system, can you access this remotely?
Yes, you can. If you have a smartphone, iPhone, any Windows-based phone, or an internet connection with a laptop, it gives you the connectability to actually get in, turn different things off, arm your system, just check the status, the climate of your house.
Let's take a walk into the kitchen here, because you were showing me prior to our conversation that you've got some devices in here. Tell me what these are that are sitting next to the counter here and what these will do for us.
Okay, what we have here is a flood sensor. We've installed this behind this refrigerator because it has an ice maker.
And this is the flood sensor right here?
This is what will be detecting any type of moisture on the floor, and this is the actual valve that will be connected behind the refrigerator. When this sensor right here detects any type of moisture on the floor, it will give us a signal through the security system as well as turn off the water flow to the device.
Well, let's take a walk back over in here. Now, you've got those sensors, of course, in all the bathrooms. I guess you've put them in the utility room where the washer and the dryer are and the like as well.
Behind all the toilets in the house, we have it behind the laundry as well as the refrigerator.
Now, have you gone so far that you can design this to clean my litter box for me, too?
I haven't done that yet, but everything's possible.
Scott, when you were putting this home together, designing it and now building it with innovative electronic systems, I imagine you had to do a fair amount of research, but I suppose that they also consulted with you on what is possible, what would incorporate and work into this design?
Absolutely. Jeremy and Scott with IES we actually got together in the beginning as far as design, and they were able to share with us as far as infrastructure, wire placement, things like that as far as rough in.
And one other thing that I noted, Jeremy, that I was going to ask you about, I noticed a weather icon on here. What does that do?
Well, the weather icon, what we've done is we've just programmed in the forest zip code. So basically you go up to the touch screen, hit the weather icon. It will give you 3 or 4 day forecast and current conditions of the area.
You can learn more about these systems from Innovative Electronic Systems by giving them a call at 434-221-8399 or going online to iesva.com.